Problem solving with length. Tim is hanging streamers around the senior common room. He has 4 12-metre rolls of streamers and wants to cut them into 60-centimetre lengths. How many lengths of streamers will he get? A lot of the time where our problem turns up is that we've got different units and we need to be working in the same unit to be able to work this out. So sometimes at the start of your question, sometimes at the end, just convert your units to either be the same unit, in this case when I've been given 2 different units, or if they've asked me for a length answer in a particular unit, convert into that unit. This one's given me 2 lengths and wants a number of streamers, so I can convert into either one. 60 centimetres is pretty easy to divide by 100 and get to 0.6 metres. So one streamer is 0.6 metres. Now that you've got into the same measurements here, what you'll need to do is work out what strategy are you using. He's got 4 12-metre rolls of streamers and wants to cut them into 60-centimetre lengths. The question is always, are we multiplying or are we dividing? What are we doing? You've got 12-metre rolls and you want to cut them up into 60-centimetre lengths. You're splitting that up. You're sharing it into 60-centimetre pieces. That means division. You're taking this long length and dividing it up into lengths of this much. So, the number of streamers is 12 divided by 0.6, because he's got a 12-metre roll. 20 streamers per roll. If that had worked out as a decimal, like 20.5, that would mean you could get 20 full streamers and half a streamer, so you could only get 20 streamers out of that roll. That would be a situation where you round down. And then 4 rolls, so that means 4 times 20, which is 80 streamers in total. So your strategies are: make sure you're working in the same units before you get started. Change into the units that you want at the end if you have to, if they've told you if you want meters or kilometers or whatever at the end. And use some strategies to think about, am I sharing and dividing or am I multiplying?